Hi, I'm Bill from CJ Pony Parts. A lot of you have been asking for different hood options for the S550 Mustangs. Now, a couple weeks back, we installed the Anderson Composites heat extractor hood on my personal 2015 Mustang GT. Today, we're going to show you their Type SN Super Snake hood, and we'll show you how to install it using this 2015 Mustang GT. This Anderson Composites hood is made of real wet-infused carbon fiber and comes in a high-gloss finish. This is the Super Snake styling with a large scoop in the front and the heat extractors in the back, and it'll be a direct replacement for your factory hood. Now, a lot of you have asked about the weight on these hoods. The factory hood is aluminum, so it is extremely light to begin with. You're only talking about probably a 2 to 3 pound difference. This will be a little bit lighter than factory. For this installation, we had a 3/8 ratchet, 10mm socket, 13mm socket, panel removal tool, small flathead screwdriver, and cutting pliers. To begin the installation, you want to pop the hood and start by removing the hood blanket. The hood blanket is held in place by these little push pin clips, so we get underneath them and pop them out. With the cover off, now you can see the windshield washer hose. You're going to remove these clips to remove that off the hood. To get the nozzles off the hose, there's a little collar here. Simply going to turn that and they'll slide right off. Now we're ready to remove the hood. This is definitely a two-man job. The hood isn't heavy, but it's large and you want to be careful. So I recommend having one person on each side to balance it and remove the nuts. You want to lay your stock hood down on something soft, so you have to take off both the catch and the washer nozzles and transfer them over to our new hood. To pull the washers out, use a small screwdriver just underneath the edge here. Just pop them up. We're going to move the catch now over to our new hood. The washer nozzle installs the same way, but the material is a little bit thicker on the hood. There's two ways you can do this. You can either get a file and kind of grind the opening. What I found, these two little plastic tabs, just cut these down a little bit. That provides just a little more clearance, makes it fit in pretty easy. The bolt's on. Now what we're going to do is carefully test fit the hood. We're going to lower it down slowly, make sure the lines are even because there is some adjustment in the hinges if necessary. Okay, now we're going to reconnect the washer hoses. Slide it on and turn that collar. Now at this point, your installation is finished. As far as the hose itself, you have a couple options. You can simply just tape it in place, or you can drill a couple small holes to hold it up. The owner of this car is going to figure that out on his own. So in our case, our installation's finished. With only a few adjustments, our Anderson Composites carbon fiber hood fits great on this 2015 Mustang. The installation, as you saw, is pretty straightforward. Probably going to take you about an hour or so, and you'll be back on the road in no time.